Hi there, Emmanuel here. So today we're going to be talking about the IM Academy trading with Abundance Tradehouse. So I'm going to tell you more about what Abundance Tradehouse is. It's just the group that I personally actually trade with, who are under the big umbrella of the IM Academy. So I'll tell you a little bit more about the actual IM Academy trading, the trading that they offer, and then I'll tell you more about our group, the Abundance Tradehouse, which if you hang around for a second, I'm going to give you access to completely for free for the week. You know, you can come and trade with us and see exactly what we do. Come and look on the inside completely for free. And as well as that, as an added bonus, I'm going to give you access to my free 10-part Forex trading course. And I'll tell you a little bit more about all of that in a second. Yeah. So the IM Academy. So the IM Academy is the major kind of company that all these other little kind of groups are under. And one of them is us, the ATH, the Abundance Tradehouse. This is the IM Academy. So this is their site. You know, so they're the main site. And what we really use them for is some of the trading. You can learn some trading from them. Yeah. But we mainly use them sort of for payments, to take payments when people come and join us and they decide to be full members. And also for some of their training as well. Some of their beginner training, the basics and stuff like that. I'll show you the site. It's really nice. It's a lovely site. This is, they tell you about some of the success stories that they've had. It's all on their site there. The strategies that they use, and then the academies, yeah, that you can do with them. The one I'm going to be talking about today is the Forex, but they have Forex, the FRX. They have the HFX, which is like stocks. So you can learn about that sort of trading, stocks and shares. DCX is the crypto side. So if that's more you, if you want to do the digital marketing, digital currencies, then DCX, and ECX is more about e-commerce and stuff like that. So what you can use them for is in their Forex package, they also have videos, so training videos where you can come on here every single day. There's people training you on Forex, on how to do Forex trading, how to be a Forex trader. There's videos, educators on here every single day. The one I actually use, which is this one here, that actually trades the strategy that we trade at the ATH, at the Abundance Tradehouse, is this one, Zach Morgan and Jordan Morgan. These guys are the ones that actually taught the leaders of our group how to do the strategy that we do. But that aside now, yeah, I want to tell you more about the Abundance Tradehouse, the people that I'm with, yeah, who are affiliated to the IM Academy. But like I said, we mainly use them for payments, to collect payments, and you can also use them to do some of these lives if you want to. You don't even have to, but if you want to get more education. And in a minute, I'll tell you something else. We actually use them for the basic Forex course. So they've got a course that shows you the beginning of everything you need to know. What is a pip and all this sort of stuff. But I'll show you that in a second. So this is our group, the 1000 group. On Facebook, it's called 1000 group. It's called Abundance Tradehouse. It's just the major name for all of us. So there's 3,500 members on this. Yeah, these are the leaders. We always have a bit of fun. These are the leaders on here. So what do you get if you come and join our group is you get access to these daily lives. Yeah, you get so much stuff. I mean, this is our site, the I Am Abundance. Yeah. And you get access to these recordings here every single day. Like I said, I'm going to give you access to this yourself if you want. Every single day, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 5 p.m. GMT, 6 days a week. Yeah, we come on and we train you on the strategy. You can ask questions. Look at these trains. They're not like 10-minute trains. These are 1.5 hours. This one's 48 minutes. This one's 1.5 hours, 1.5 hours. You can come on. You can watch what we do. If you miss them, there's recordings. They've all been recorded here. This is a recordings page, but you can actually get on live every single day, 6 days in a week. You can come and actually learn about the strategy. Yeah, you can learn what we do, learn places on the charts that we're looking at. As well as that, we've put together some markup examples. So when we teach you the strategy in the units, I'll show you that in a second, then the leader himself, Michael, goes through what he would be looking for in the charts. You know, what is something we call a banker's candle, where you find it, how he would look for it, all that sort of stuff. Yeah, it's all goes through step by step. And look at all these videos that he's done just to make life easier. Then we have what we call a weekly outlook, and that's sort of our version of signals. We don't believe in signals here. We believe in teaching you how to trade. Yeah, so, but we do have a weekly outlook where they have pairs. They give you the pairs that they're looking at. These are the ones here. And then they don't just say, go and trade here, buy here, sell here, or this kind of take profit one, take profit two. They actually make a video telling you why they're looking at those areas and why you should be thinking of maybe looking at them yourself. So it's always your choice, but from these weekly outlooks, we've almost had a winner every single week. And these ain't small winners because our risk to reward is quite big that we go for. Yeah, so this is almost like hand delivered for you while you're learning the strategy, what we call the banker strategy. While you're learning that, you can also have trade ideas rather than signals that you can actually profit of if you take what they're taking. Then we have the units. This is where all the kind of training happens. Unit 1 to 4 is mainly just, you know, the logistics stuff. Like I was saying to you earlier, this is unit 1. Videos aren't that long as well either, so you know you kind of get through them quite quickly. This one here was the course I was talking to you about, the Forex Basics, which is on the IM Academy here. It's in different languages as well, in English, in Spanish, in German, Portuguese, French. So you can go through the course here, which is what we talk about here in unit, where was I? Yeah, the unit 1, the Forex Basics. So it goes for everything, you know, pips. What is Forex itself? Do you know what I mean? What is trading versus investing? It goes through everything, pips, break of structure, all this sort of stuff. So units 1 to 4 is all about the logistics stuff. Unit 5 is where we get into the meat of the strategy, and it shows you everything that we look for. So, you know, the introduction, something we call the banker's candle, break of structure, Fibonacci, imbalance, all of it goes through everything. And the videos aren't that long, quite short, quite concise, you know. They're very, very quick, very, very easy to go through. Do you know what I mean? And then to reinforce that, you get on the recordings and you can ask questions, like I said, and you can come and just sit with us. I mean, and that's just some of it. Then we also have our own Discord channel. Yeah, this is our Discord channel, where I'll take you through some of it. So once you've learnt the strategy, you might think to yourself, so where do I trade it? What pairs do I use? We also have a scanner, which is actually taken from the IM Academy, but Michael's done, you know, he's done his magic, and so that we only get the pairs that we should be looking at personally. So we actually have 1 hour, 4 hour daily charts, which is what we advise you start on. And look, it gives you the pairs. So today's Euro Pound, CAD JPY. So even though you learn all this strategy, you don't have to go, you know, people learn a strategy and they think, you know, what trades, what charts do I go to trade on? Do you know what I mean? Because there's so many pairs you can trade on. This gives you the pairs. You know, it tells you, go and look at these ones for today. Do you know? And then other parts of this Discord channel, you have the group chat. So you don't feel like you're alone. If you have questions, you have things, there's loads of traders on here that are here to help. We have chart markups. So say you've got a markup, say you've done a chart, you put your chart in, and then you ask other traders, what do you think of this? And people from all around the world will come and critique or give you advice or whatever, or say, yep, I'm in that trade as well, or I'm looking at that as well. We also have a funded trading channel. Because we produce so many winners in this group, we actually had to put together a funded trading channel so that if you're thinking of becoming a funded trader, you can ask advice of others. What did you do? Which funded prop firm are you with? That sort of stuff, you know. Then we even have mentor charts, the mentors themselves, those 4 leaders that you just saw here. Get on here, and they give you their ideas if they've got any charts to drop themselves. You know, they say, I'm looking in this area. Yeah, and then even better than that, I really love this part, is we have a wins channel, showing you, other people showing you their wins, so that it will inspire you, keep you positive, you know. And I'll show you, look at all these wins. These are just, some of these are just from today. A 1 to 6 on Euro Dollar, a 1 to 5 on the CAD. Look at all these. You just keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, you keep going with the wins. And then, just to show you, we even have testimonials here, of so many testimonials. Look at all these people, so happy. This is just, we have a page, I could just keep scrolling for hours, dedicated just to testimonials. Let me read one of these. I'll just click this one. Okay, man, I'm finally starting to bloom as a trader. I can just feel it in my bones and have and have some massive breakthroughs recently with results to show for them. I just wanted to thank you from the bottom of my heart for taking the time to actually help me when I needed it most. The world needs more people like you. He's talking about the leaders, one of the leaders. And you've inspired me to be one of those people. I mean, that's just beautiful. Do you know what I mean? And there's just pages and pages and pages of that, do you know? So I hope you can see the value in being in the Abundance Tradehouse. And if you do want to come and have a look, like I was saying to you earlier, if you want to come and have a look and you want to come and actually get on some of these, let's go back here. You want to get on some of these recordings, starting next week. Like I said, next week, Monday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 5 p.m. GMT. Then all you need to do now, if you're interested in that, is just click on this link below. Once you've clicked on that, you'll actually get access to my 10-part free Forex trading course. And at the bottom of that, there'll be a link there that will actually get you onto this recording for next week, completely for free. No credit card, nothing to sign up for. Just come and have a look for yourself. See if it's for you. If it is for you, then great. If it's not for you, then nothing's lost. Do you know what I mean? So anyway, listen, I hope you got some value from that. If you did, please take a second. Just give it a thumbs up. Also, I'd love to know what you think. Do you think this is something that could help you? Or, have you heard of the IM Academy? Do you know, is it something that you've actually had experience with? I'd love to hear from you, or anything at all. If you have any comments at all, please don't hesitate. Just leave it in the comments box below. And again, till next time, hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, you take care, and I'll speak to you soon. All the best. Take care.